Hey, I'm Taylor Montgomery and I'm the narrator.
Hi, I'm Tara Wright and I'm Dazzle.
Hi, I'm Kelsey Davis. I'm the octopus in School of Fish.
Hi, I'm Amy Swallow and I'm Sparkle. Hi, I'm Sydney Lockman and I'm the starfish.
And I'm Fallon Green and I'm the shark.
In the deep blue sea of the Pacific Ocean lived a little rainbow fish named Sparkle. Sparkle had a mother named Dazzle. The day after Thanksgiving, they decided to go Black Friday shopping in the coral reef.
Stay close, Sparkle. Don't leave my fin.
I'm a little sparkle, I shine bright. I love to flash my sparkles. Oh yeah, that's right.
As Sparkle sings her little heart out, she strays further and further from her mother into the looming, crazy crowd.
Sparkle! Sparkle, where are you? Excuse me, excuse me. Oh, would you look at this spy?
Where's my mother? Oh my gosh! Mom, where are you? Oh no, I lost my mother. Where could she be? Oh, where could she be? Dude, you just ran into me. You're blocking my rays. Could you move? Oh, I can move. I like to move it. I like to move it, yeah. Dude, what are you doing? Well, excuse me, I'm not a dude. My name is Sparkle. I'm a little sparkle. I shine bright. I love to shine my sparkles. Oh yeah, that's right. Could you please help me find my mother? She sparkles like me, except I'm brighter. Well, my name's Etch. I think she went that way.
Sparkle trusted the starfish and went in the direction he told her.
Where could my mother be? Where could she be?
Sparkle, the innocent little rainbow fish, went in the direction the starfish told her, unknowingly going in the wrong direction.
Hi, my name's Sparkle. I'm a little sparkle, I shine bright. I love to shine my sparkles. Oh yeah, that's right. Have you seen my mother? She sparkles like me, except I'm brighter.
Stand still. You're spinning in circles.
I'm not spinning, you're spinning.
Oh. What was the question again? Did you know that octopus have 8 legs, but I'm abnormal? I have 12.
Yes, I see that. I can count. Have you seen my mother?
I don't know where my mother is.
Not your mother, my mother.
Woo! 12 makes spinning so much better. Woo-hoo! I love to spin. Oh yeah, and I think I saw her go this way.
Where could my mother be? Where could she be? Where is my mother? Where is she?
And once again, Sparkle wanders away, not sure of which direction to go.
I wonder if anyone's going to be able to help me. I bet she hasn't even realized that I'm gone.
Dazzle, distracted by the Black Friday shell sales, recalls Sparkle was missing. The big sales quickly distract her once again.
Hey, good looking. Where'd you get those sparkles? You sure are too beautiful to be out here alone.
I got them from my mama. But my sparkles are brighter and I have a purple bow. Her sparkles are green.
Is she as good looking as you? You're an eye catcher, so she couldn't have gotten past me.
That's beside the point. Have you seen her?
I guess you don't catch my drift. So let's go this way, and both you honeys can swim with me.
For the first time, Sparkle gets scared.
No thanks. I don't think so. Everyone's been wrong every time. I'm going this way.
Shark tries to block her direction and detour her with his large teeth. She swims under him and gets away.
No one has helped me. I'm going on my own instincts. Huh.
Sparkle swims swiftly towards the coral reef. Dazzle sees Sparkle across the shell crates of pearls and shells.
Sparkle! Oh, look at these great deals. What a wonderful Christmas this will be. I'm glad we came, and we had a great day.
Sparkle's day was an adventure, one she'll never forget. Meeting many new sea creatures, she learned a very valuable lesson. You can't always believe what others tell you. Sometimes you need to trust your own instincts.